Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Dear friends, today I'm going to talk about powers in you. Do you know about powers? Means capacity that you can do, energy that you gain from living among the people, talking with the people, and by conversing with the people. Do you know, dear friends, sometimes you become disappointed, you become hopeless. Do you know why? Because you don't think that you have been created by God as a special, then you can do each and everything what you consider. If you are just gonna be disappointed, never consider you are a hopeless person. You can't do anything, you can do everything, because life is a journey, not a destination. Then why you have to always walk towards your destination? If you're gonna to stop and take rest, then others who are walking with you will leave you back. And what happened? Then you take time to achieve your target. Means always walk slow and steady, like turtle. Have you ever heard about the race, turtle and rabbit? you know Turtle and rabbit. So in that, when rabbit moves fast, and after that, when tortoise left back afar, then tortoise, not tortoise, that rabbit start to take rest. Why? Because he think that I have just moved a lot. That is why you have not to take rest. You have to already walk slow and steady, and you have to be like flowing water. A flowing water never be polluted. If you want to be fresh, if you want to be cool, always flow like water. Okay. And life exists in the universe if you would be happy. If you're not just gonna happy, then life never be existed. So always try to become happy if you want to do something in your life, because and one thing more I want to say, respect about time. Time is money. In our life, everyone requires what? For feeding, means food, clothes and house, roti, kapda and makan. These things are required to live for you. Then if you would be consider doing anything in your life, to get anything in your life like this, then you can do. If you are just being hopeless, if you are unable to do the things, you can't. Okay. So always think you have been created by God as special. And once I want to tell you that life is a things by which you can achieve anything, but all the powers is within you. If you will think to achieve anything, then you can. If you will not think to achieve anything, then you can't. So what do you think depend on you and on the processing of thinking on your mind, how you are thinking, because how your mind works, how your mind acts. So always you must have to gaze to you, you must have to observe to you, you must have to believe in you, and you must have to believe in your God. If you want to be success, you must be success. Okay. Now this session, this video will be only for 2 minutes. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe and wait for the next video. If you're watching on Facebook, then subscribe, not subscribe, like and share your views and comment your views in comment box. Thank you so much.